Ladies and gentlemen, we bow before the judiciary today. We bow before the highest court of the country. We bow before the judges who in their wisdom have passed an order that is unprecedented and extraordinary. In a 4-page order in the privilege motion case today, the Supreme Court has clearly laid down the law of the land. They clearly issue a contempt notice to the Maharashtra Assembly Speaker. They also say this is being done because Arnab was threatened, intimidated and threatened with a penalty if he dared to go to the courts for protection, which is what he did. As they gave him protection from arrest in the case, they very clearly spelt out that the Maharashtra Assembly secretaries will have to answer to them. And as this is coming forward, viewers, as we thank the courts, this is also a reminder that the pack of lies is coming down. The Supreme Court has taken notice and we've only to wait for time to come when all these cases are going to meet their logical conclusion.
The nation watched these pictures in horror. Republic Media Network editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami's illegal arrest has united 1 billion Indians in this unprecedented fight against despotic tendencies.
We fully support Arnab.
This is a death of democracy.
Arnab, we are with you.
The world roars for you, Arnab.
We are in full support of Arnab.
Republic is fighting this battle in the courts of the country. Today in Supreme Court, when India's topmost legal luminary Harish Salve informed the CJI about the happenings with regards to the breach of privilege motion case against Arnab, CJI Bobre was left shocked and furious.
The Supreme Court today issued a contempt notice to the Maharashtra Assembly Secretary for threatening Arnab when he approached the Supreme Court for protection of his rights. The Supreme Court also questioned why the Secretary had written such letters that were intimidatory and threatened penalty on Arnab for having approached the top court. Harish Salve, senior advocate who appeared for Arnab in the court, said case after case after case is being put against Arnab. Even now, he is in jail, he is being threatened. There is the constitutional courts who need to see the reality and sometimes not see the smoke screen that is being shown.
The words used by the Chief Justice of India, how dare he, a reflection of the mood of the nation. The Maharashtra Assembly Secretary has been show-caused. The highest court of the country has asked him to explain why contempt proceedings shouldn't be initiated against him for threatening Arnab. The court has also granted Arnab Goswami protection from arrest in the breach of privilege case. Harish Salve presented before the Lordships facts of the case. He said Arnab is being threatened and questioned. Case after case is being filed. Reality should be seen, not just the smoke screen. He also informed the court that they said Arnab will spend Diwali in jail. In the High Court too, Mr. Salve called a spade during the hearing on Arnab's plea challenging the illegal arrest and seeking quashing of the FIR.
The Bombay High Court heard illegal detention case of Arnab at 3 p.m. today. Hearing senior advocate Mr. Harish Salve, he spoke greatly to the bench about the malafide in the case. He clearly raised a simple aspect, case after case is going against Arnab. He said when in 2 cases Arnab got some protection from the court, the TRP case came. He said similarly now the suicide case has come. He then spoke on the merits of the case and said this is a civil case and there was no relationship between Arnab and the deceased. He also went on to say that this is clearly malafide. In fact, there is malafide intention here.
It's not about one man anymore. It's about what his fight symbolizes. Vested interests cannot plunge New India into the emergency era because vendetta cannot drown this voice.
The idea of the Republic Network is an idea of not just a channel but a movement that stands for a new India. And they hate it when I say I am a nationalist. Everyone must be a nationalist to be a journalist. What is wrong with that? We are the new age media organizations like the Republic Media Network. And we are sworn to use the privilege of broadcasting news to the nation as an opportunity to defeat all the nation's enemies. The day I was born on the soil of this country as a free citizen of this great country.
Let's debate.